Hi, I'm Toril and I work for the Norwegian Seafarers Union.
And I'm Jessie, and I also work for the Norwegian Seafarers Union.
We are here to tell you about the union, your rights as a seafarer, and how you can use our services.
Our job is to make sure that you have a good life on board and that your terms and conditions comply with international regulations. We're always working to improve both living and working conditions for seafarers in the cruise industry, like shortening contracts, increasing wages and benefits, extending maternity pay, and having a better focus on health and well-being.
We are always here when you need us. Think about it like a car insurance. You might not need us at all, but if you do, we are here. The union is like a safety net. We are here to catch you. You might need help one day with challenging situations on board, such as bullying and harassment, dismissal, injury, or illness. We can give you advice on what to do, and we can represent your case to the company. We also have a legal team available if needed.
And our services are always free and confidential.
You might have heard people talking about the CBA or collective bargaining agreement, but what is it? The CBA is a document negotiated and agreed by the union and the company. It describes the rules on important things like your salary and benefits, working hours, what happens if you get sick or injured on board, and other information that affects you as a seafarer. You should have a copy of your CBA when you join the ship. You can ask our HR or the union for a copy if you don't have one. Check your employment contract to see if your position is covered by a CBA. As CBAs are negotiated, their standards are usually much higher than the minimum standards contained in international laws such as the Maritime Labour Convention or MLC. If there's anything you would like the union to bring to the negotiating table to include in your CBA, please let us know.
We understand that not everybody knows what the union does and may not have had the chance to read your CBA in detail. Therefore, we hold free cruise seminars around the world to explain what your rights are, what the union does, and how you can get help. We also cover mental health and well-being, an issue that many seafarers are facing today.
Our cruise seminars happen in Indonesia, the Philippines, Caribbean, Europe, and India. To find out more, contact us or look out for the posters on board your ship. You can bring your family and all costs are covered by us. The only expense for you is the travel for your family members.
To find out more, contact the union through our website, social media, or send us an email. Our contact details are at the end of this film.
Today we were looking at the collective bargaining agreements. So we gave the participants some problems to solve and using the CBA to help each other with the problems they might have on board. The vision of the cruise seminar is to educate as many seafarers in the cruise industry as we can. Seafarers have rights, they have unions, and we want to educate people so that they know what those rights are and that they feel comfortable and confident to use them when they're on board, and to help their colleagues, and when they go back on board to tell as many other seafarers about what they've learned at the seminar.
As we mentioned earlier, we are here if you need help or representation dealing with an issue that you might face on board. Hundreds of seafarers contact us every year, and we help them with issues like rehire, dismissal appeals, accessing sick or disability pay, bullying and harassment.
We have a legal team who supports us in this work. All our services are completely free, and we will never take any money from you or your family. We know that many seafarers are approached by private lawyers and attorneys, especially in cases of injury and sickness. Please be aware that these lawyers will charge for their services. We know of many seafarers who have had to pay for their services, and they could have received them for free through the union.
So, if in doubt, please contact us first. We visit ships that are covered by our CBAs in ports around the world. We have a team in Bali, one team in Puerto Rico, and one in Oslo. So we cover Asia, the Americas, and Europe.
We do ship visits throughout the year and meet lots of seafarers around the world.
Our aim is to meet as many seafarers as possible and to check that everything is okay on board. Check our website to see when we are on your ship next.
We are there to let you know that you have a union and we can help you for free. When we're on ship visits, we are there to discuss any issues you might have and to answer any of your questions. So we hope now that you've learned a little bit more about what the union does and how we can help you.
Remember, we are here for you and you can contact us anytime. Send us an email whenever you need to. Our contact details are here.